In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change the internal battery in a Kia Sorento key fob. If your Sorento was made between 2013 and 2020, this device here is most likely what you are using. You will need just one of these CR2032 batteries, and it's really easy to do. Just follow along. The first step is to press this button. We're going to be removing this back section of plastic by pushing up on the lip here from where this key just came from. So we're going to push up with our thumb, holding on this section. This will not be moving, and you'll see in a second how this comes right off. And if that is a little bit tricky to do for you, you can use a flathead screwdriver or another key, maybe a coin, and insert it into that area. Again, holding the top, and you'll just pry the back off. Now, set that aside. We're going to use something like a flathead screwdriver, anything that can get in between the battery and the plastic housing here. So we're just going to wiggle it in on the bottom and then kind of pry gently. Show you that one more time. In on this edge here. Get down to the bottom as far as you can go and just gently pry up. The battery will pop out. We can see a CR2032 battery here. Take a brand new one. The positive side goes face up, and you will just insert it, sliding it up under these two pieces of plastic here first, and then clicking the bottom into place. Now you can just put this back piece back on, and you are good to go. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, let us know in the comment section or by giving us a like. And if you ever have any issues with your key fobs in the future, you can find lots of tutorials here on our YouTube channel, or you can visit us at fobbattery.com.